So right now I'm all the way up over here, so I have to go back into the woods in order to go to the parking lot, but I have to go through the entire forest. It's almost 2 kilometers trail from here. The rain is increasing quite a bit. You can see the water started to form. It's all going down and I have to go through that path. So before it increases more, I have to reach back to my car, and it's getting slippery as well. Looks like I got wrong shoes today. And when you go to the slopes like this, you have to be really careful.